Hi guys, so this is the third way on how to cure hiccup. I've showed you the first, I've showed you the second, which work immediately, but if you feel you don't want to try any of that, you can try this third method. Mind you, this third method is actually very stressful, frustrating and annoying, but it actually works also. You can force yourself to vomit, and then once you vomit, trust me, the hiccup will cure immediately. It goes immediately. So how do you force yourself to vomit? You can just shook your hand inside your throat and force yourself to vomit. And once it comes out, that's the end. So I'll be showing us the number 4 way tomorrow. Subscribe for more.